Holy moly, don't jiggle. I'm clearly not woke yet. What is up, my people who are watching? Good morning, or afternoon, or night, whenever you're watching this. For me, it is 9:30 a.m., I think, and I have a haircut today at 10:30. So, by the title, you can tell I have a photo shoot coming up. Today, I'm just getting a haircut, and I'm getting my first manicure and pedicure. Like, my nails aren't bad, but like, I never really do nothing to them. Like, I clip them. That's about it. So yeah, I just want to start playing with them eventually, but I'm just getting a mani and a pedi today. I was thinking about doing like some black French tips. That would be kind of dope, huh? That's been going through my mind, but I don't know if I just want to jump into that and be like, I don't know about it, you know? So I'll just start off with a manicure, pedicure. I'm excited about this photo shoot. I'm actually gonna be submitting these photos to agencies to be scouted. So that's why I've been in the gym heavy. I really want this. Let's go get a haircut. Probably go to Dunkin'. I don't know where I'm going, but first I'm going to Dunkin'. Probably go to Dunkin' first. But I'm going to get Dunkin' before this haircut because I need it. You know, I hate to say that. I really don't. It really, it really, first of all, coffee tastes good to me. I know a lot of people think coffee is nasty, but coffee tastes quite amazing, I think. So it's partly that, and it's partly just like when you drink coffee in the morning, you know, you just get up, first thing you do is go to the coffee shop. You just feel like it could be the caffeine. I always like to say caffeine don't affect me, but that's, I'm human, so that's probably not true. I don't know, it's just something about the act of waking up, getting dressed, throwing on some clothes, and just going to a coffee shop. That just makes me feel very accomplished and very ready for the day. So let's get ready for the day. I don't even know what I want right now. Oh, I know exactly what I want actually. They got this like drink named after Charli D'Amelio, and that shit is fire. Like, I was like, hey, let me try this, just try some new shit. That shit's fire, bro. It's so good. It's a long ass line. If y'all make me miss my haircut appointment, I'm popping all of y'all tires before we get out of this drive-thru. The one day I'll whoop your ass, truck. The one day I'm up and productive. Okay, let me not say one day. Like, I'm just never up and productive. But I was up today. I fought to get out of bed. I fought myself. Like, I fought. It was a battle. And then my fucking barber, let's go. Can we push it back to 11? A whole fucking hour from now, I got my cold brew. So, I'm okay. I do got my cold brew. And I got some avocado toast from Dunkin'. I tried it once, and it must have been okay that I ordered it again. But we'll test that out. We'll test that out again. This is a 10 out of 10. The Charli D'Amelio cold brew, I think. Cold foam, cold brew, whatever. Fire. I'm home. So let's try this toast. Here it is. Doesn't look the best. But let's try it. Not bad. Hi, I'm no longer a caveman. Let's go. I low-key like getting in my caveman state because, getting a haircut is just so much better. Like, it's not fun if you always stay like this. Like, that's no fun. Like, that's no variation. So I like to go caveman every now and then. Because then when I get back to this, I'm just like, oh. I'm just happy. Like, my body is as best as it's ever been. My health in general is as best as it's ever been. mentally and physically. So I'm excited. I just think I'm gonna just eat this photo shoot up. Like I just feel that. I feel that. I'm gonna go pick my mom up and we're gonna go for a run through the park because she wanna also be more healthier and fit. So I was like, hey, let's go do some cardio and go to the park and talk and stuff. I'll see you guys with my mom soon. I'm such a fucking a clutch. Okay, I'm out. I'm with my mom. We are going to get. We were literally at the trail almost.
You smell that? Ooh, lake. Hey.
It don't even smell like fish though. It smells like
fart. Like
yeah.
shit.
It do smell. It smells like a fart. It do. Oh my god. We're almost at the trail. We were just enjoying our day, and Silas decided to
ruin it.
Need to be picked up at the last minute. We're gonna get Silas, and then we're going back to the trail with Silas. So that's nice. We got a little family out. Just finished running. Everybody is beat up and sweaty, but it was really good. And my mom surprised me. This lady ran the whole town. Y'all see where I get it from now. Them legs. You see them legs? It's all in the legs.
Oh, bathroom. Look at it right there.
Bathroom. She was on her pee the whole time. The whole time. And she ran the whole time. Silas got defeated. He was beat up, but he tried. He ran up hills.
I was beat up already. You mentioned that.
You mentioned that. I was already hooping all morning.
He was playing basketball this morning. And he did do the harder trail, so that is good. It was a good one. We all got to sweat in and family bonding time. But yeah, time to go get cleaned up. I am back at the crib. After I run, I needed to chill. Just lay in bed and did nothing. But now I'm about to go get a manicure and pedicure because I need it for this photo shoot, and just cause you know, like they alright. I wanna see my toes. Y'all like I was gonna say, y'all like toes? I have pretty nice toes though. That's a bad angle. Like they're not bad, right? Get ready with me. I play too much. All right, let me get dressed. All dressed. Let's get to the salon, shall we? All dressed, let's get to the salon. Oh, dressed, let's get to the salon. Oh, dressed, let's get to the salon. Get to the salon. Oh. After literally calling, like, I'm glad I was calling because I almost was gonna just drive to another one. I literally called like, oh my gosh, 8 shops probably. Busy. It's fucking Wax Code Wednesday. It's Wax Code Wednesday. I don't even know if Wax Code is a thing, but that's what it have to be because how is every shop in Milwaukee busy? Like, what the fuck is today? Wax Code Wednesday. Like, that's the only thing that makes sense. But I'm finna go get my wax coat and join everybody. I found one, Future Nails. Maybe it was meant to be. Future Nails sounds dope as fuck. So we're gonna go to Future Nails and get a manicure and pedicure. Hey, let's go. A massage chair. Oh my god, it feels so good. Yo, I got my fucking manicure and pedicure, and like, hello, look at the heart, look at the heart. Oh. Like, I get it now. I kind of get it now, and it might be a regular thing. All right, the hands are cool. Like, nothing about this was bad. I enjoyed it, and then I was like, hey, let's throw a heart on the pinky. Cute, right? Oh shit, I fucks with that. The feet, on the other hand, it didn't hurt. Like, I mean, I don't know, man. It's just something about feet. I just feel like feet are just more intimate, you know? Like, if somebody I was dating knew how to do whatever one is on the feet, I don't know which one is which. Well, like, if somebody I was dating wanted to give me one, that would be amazing. Like, hell yeah, let's do it. But just like, I don't know, man. And then they just like massaging your feet at the same time. And like, they like wash your feet too. It's a lot. It's a lot. Like, I don't know. And then you're not talking. It's just, it felt nice. Like, that's something maybe I'll do every now and then. I'll do this, of course, I'll do this more often. Like, this is nice. And I know because I got the heart, I'm gonna want to just come back and I'm eventually I'm gonna be getting full fucking nails. Watch. But I think art on the nails is so cool. And I wasn't gonna get nothing. I was like, hey, how about we just throw something on the pinky? You know, let's test the water. Let's tap the water a little bit. I love it. I love it. I don't know about the feet one, but this I can get behind. I get it. I understand. And I know this kind of turned into a whole vlog. Self-care, you know, self-care. That's what I'm gonna add that to the title. A self-care before the photo shoot. Blah, whatever I'm gonna title it. I don't know yet. But yeah, I know I'm doing a lot, but the photo shoot is coming. I promise the photo shoot is coming. The photo shoot is coming. It will be in this video. So keep watching, please. Stay with me. I'm lonely as fuck. Okay, bye. See y'all later. What is up, my people? It is Saturday, April 10th, the day before the photo shoot. It is here. Finally. I planned it so long ago, so now that it's finally here, I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited. And I got my little heart. So cute. Right now I'm at the mall. It is fucking packed. I didn't think about it being a Saturday at 5 o'clock. What time is it? 5:30, 6 o'clock, something like that. Didn't think about it. Yeah. Get some Thai tea and do a little shopping. And then, yeah, photo shoot tomorrow. I'm so excited. I don't even know what time my photo shoot is. And it's tomorrow. Love that for me. I'm gonna figure that out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It is finally photo shoot day, and I've been up early because I'm just excited, and I couldn't stay in bed, so I've been up. I watched Homecoming, like half of it. We stand Beyonce. I'm obsessed with my nails, if you can tell. I'm so obsessed, like.
And I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Made it to the set. I was on time today. Right, Sean? Brief moment to show some love to my great friend, Sean. Great photographer, always there for me. Please follow him. Please. He's amazing. Thank you. I'm definitely on time. You know, I walked in at 12:02. Yeah, I've been in here for 3 minutes. So, you know, I was on time. We got the setup. I gotta get changed. But yeah, let's do this. Nugget head ass. Rock head ass. Oh, this behind one? They want that. They'll get it. Did my ass look good, bro? Yeah. I've been working. Okay. Shoot done! That was fast. Shoot done. Show you the pics later. Shauna sent them to me in like 2 months, so that's we'll see you.
Correct time.
Hope y'all enjoyed. I ain't gonna lie, that camera's a catfish because my body look better on there, but we love to see it. It's the lighting.
Where am I?
Made it back home from the shoot. Me and Sean just chilled out and got food after and just hung out and caught up. And yeah, it was fun. Shoot was fun. It was just a good day so far, and it's still kind of early in the day, but I'm in the video here. Yeah, it was fun, and I'm so glad y'all came with me and enjoyed. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm exhausted, and it's only whatever time it is. I don't know why I'm exhausted. Like I worked hard, but I am. But yeah, I'll probably watch some YouTube or a movie or something, and just chill for the rest of the day. Oh, look at the heart. Bye.